Hey everybody, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I want to show you how I did this really cute ballerina top knot donut bun. Very easy and simple. So I'm using an old silk press on just my natural hair. And I'm going to get started with the foundation, the ponytail. So I want a high bun. So of course you need to start off with a high ponytail. I like to kind of do a mock ponytail first, and then I'll put like my products and really get my hair sleeked before I actually lock in the ponytail. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Brushing my hair up, kind of going piece by piece to make sure that it's super sleek. This isn't like a ponytail or a bun that I plan to have on for long, so I'm not going to use like any too much product. Typically I would use beeswax for a sleek look, but I don't think I used it for this style. No. So anyways, I'm brushing it up using hairspray and my blow dryer as I go to kind of lock in the hairspray. And then of course you want to leave your edges out. I know not everybody likes edges anymore, or edges aren't for everyone or whatever. I don't know, but with this hairstyle, I kind of feel like they are needed, or a high ponytail just in general. So I'm leaving out a little more than I usually would to kind of fit the hairstyle. But now that our ponytail is finished, I'm just doing my last little sleek ups. Every time I use hairspray, I do lock it in with the blow dryer, so just be sure to do that. And now it's time for the bun. It is really simple and easy to do. I did get a little donut from the beauty supply store. They're very inexpensive. You can get smaller ones, bigger ones. They have them all over the place. I did used to make them with socks, but you can buy them anywhere, so no need to really use the sock anymore. But anyway, so you're just going to make sure that your hair is even around the donut. You want to make sure you don't have any gaps, that you can't see the donut underneath your hair. If you need to add hair to your ponytail to do that, you want to make sure you do that as well. But you also, there's smaller donuts, bigger ones, just kind of whatever size you want yours to be is going to be the one you want to purchase, of course. But I'm just tucking my hair underneath the donut. The hair that is left out after I tuck under, I just kind of twist that hair to the side. So it's like you're wrapping the left out hair around the donut. But you want to kind of wrap it tightly so that you don't see it. So yeah, it's really simple, honestly, to do. Very, very easy. It's not hard at all. The only thing is your arms might get a little tired. That was my dilemma, but very simple. You don't even have to necessarily lock it in if your hair is like long and you wrap the rest of your hair around the bun. You don't necessarily have to lock it in with like bobby pins or another hair tie per se, but of course for extra security you would want to. And that's it. My bun is done. And now it's time to finish off my last finishing touches, which is just some oil sheen and hairspray. Now I'm going to do my favorite part, which is the edges. And I like to leave 2 little strands of hair in the back of my head. It's like an accessory to the hairstyle, but I like to just kind of curl that under to make it a little more effortless, or I don't know, it's just a little something, a little razzle dazzle to add to any ponytail or bun. But I'm doing my edges now. So for my edges, I use hairspray. I can no longer use just edge control. Sometimes I will use edge control first and then hairspray. But as of late, I do like to just use the hairspray. It works so much better for me. But I'm just kind of doing my edges however, of course, you would like them. I do leave out more than I usually would when I have a updo like this. So it does take a little bit longer, but this hairstyle is super cute, very easy, very quick, inexpensive to do. And I'm really glad that more of the natural, older hairstyles that we used to do are becoming popular again. They're still super cute even to this day. So I really was excited to do this hairstyle on myself again. I used to wear this all the time. So really enjoyed doing the hairstyle. I know there's so many like nostalgic hairstyles and just outfits that are popular now. So I'm really enjoying them. I can't wait to do another one. There's plenty that I have in store for you guys, so be sure to look out for that. But that is it. This is my ponytail or my bun. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think down below. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.
Yo. 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 Yo.